Hey guys, what's up? It's your truck driver here, and you'll see our truck driver in desperate times need desperate measures, because right now I'm like, seriously, I'm running out of time here. I have no more time to drive, and I desperately need to park this semi-truck. So I'm scouting here every truck parking spot it's taken, so I'm pretty desperate right now. I don't know what to do, and I'm looking at my left shoulder and I see something. A van parked. Unbelievable. A van is parked in a designed truck spot. So don't they know that these spots are for semis or something? Come on, man. I need this spot. Ah, finally. You're living. Thank you. Yeah, I can park now. This spot, to be honest, is a lifesaver. Now I guess it's time to shut down and have a well-deserved rest.